got the car back from the shop. Car's done. Let's see if we can do a pull for you guys. I don't know how much of a pull we're gonna be able to do because it's mad traffic, but definitely in this video we're gonna get a full pull. So definitely stay tuned. Tell me that wasn't a pull, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, I gotta see the speedo though. Feels amazing, man. This sun is kind of messing me up right now. Oh man, this car feels so good, bro. Oh man, I can't wait for nighttime. We're gonna do more pulls. Stay tuned.
What happened? Cop coming?
Oh shit, I forgot to adjust the mirrors, bro. Some shit.
You liking it?
Yeah, I can't beat on it yet because it's not broken in, so I don't want to rub it that hard. It feels good though. I just want to lose a leash shape. Feels good. 6 and it still pulls on 6. That's fire, bro. Does it blip?
Yeah, auto.
Get the fuck. You turn that off?
Nah.
Oh, that's far. That's actually fun, bro. Oh shit, this is good though. Can you see me?
Yeah, now I can.
Hey, bro. I don't know, man. Manual's way more fun, bro. You got more stuff to do, you know what I'm saying? Instead of just pressing the gas pedal.
Yeah.
Even if you got the pedal, it's still you play with your feet. I like it, bro. Definitely worth it. I can't wait to feel it when you can actually step on it. That's just crazy.
That's what I was saying.
That's fun.
I'm telling you, last time I was just cruising, I looked down, I was like, damn, I'm doing like 90 something. I wasn't even like, bro, not even like 25% of the gas.
I'm not even rubbing its red line. It's like 4,000, 5,000. That's crazy. It's fun. It's definitely something you want to keep fucking low, dropping the gear and it's pulling. Even though it's on fifth and it's still, without stepping on it, it's still going.
Not yet.
That's crazy. Yeah, hold on. I see this white Supra over here. She's trying to get gas.
Alicia in the Supra?
You don't want it? You don't want it? You don't want it?
1, 2, 3! about?
I bet you that was even full throttle.
Definitely not.
I can't step on this either.
Yo, I'm telling you, yo.
I can't even step on this either.
Guys, like, he had me following him. And when I was driving, yo, this nigga's not even 25% on the throttle. And this nigga just gone. Like, yo, I'm telling you, like, yo, this nigga was just leaving me behind. I was like, yo, chill, Poppy.
Yeah,
He's like, I'm taking it easy. At least you know where she's going.
I think so. I put the GPS for her.
Yeah, because she pulled off. She said, fuck y'all niggas.
Like, guys, I'm only shifting at 5K RPM because it's not broken into yet.
Oh, she teasing you, bro. She hit the hazards on you.
I bet she like that shit too. This shit,
yo, your baby gonna come out a speed junkie, bro. Like, yo.
Yeah, I'm telling you guys right now, it literally feels the same as my Supra. It's just fun, way more fun, bro. Because you can dude, just be able to shift gears is just fun as fuck. I wonder how you turn off that auto clip shit though. That's the only thing I don't like.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I'm used to like doing it myself.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fucking me up. Let's see. Still doing it?
I think it stops
I think you gotta
when it wants.
I'm just not used to it.
Yeah, I think when you drive it more aggressive, it turns on.
But it feels good, bro. Look at it. Chilling. The pedals, let me see if it's spaced out good. Yeah, I could rev match. Pedals was spaced out good. Feels good. I really wish I could bang the gears already, but I can't. Because it's still not broken into.
Yeah, guys, brand new.
Fucking 200 miles, yeah, still on this shit. Look, this 5,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. And it's still pulling. That's how fun this shit is. Yeah, doing deliveries and this shit, yeah, this will be fun as fuck, bro. Like, I will do so many crazy shit with it. It's crazy.
Nah, yeah.
It's fun as fuck. Wait till we get some open road, bro. We're gonna do another pull on the road through. Oh, I about to stall this bitch.
Nigga forgot this shit was a manual.
Yo, I almost forgot, bro. Yo, I was like, oh, what the fuck is that? I broke my trans? No, but look, hear this shit. Yo, you guys gotta hear this shit. Look. Yo. What? Put the camera outside. Look. That's 5,000 RPM. That's fire. That's fire. How high this nigga railed it, John?
Huh? He wasn't going crazy.
Huh? What he do?
He was just for most of the majority of the time we was in traffic. So.
Oh damn, nigga! I thought you said it was strong.
Nigga, I never said that. All I did was stick it in there. My phone fell
It was
off.
loose. That's all. Nigga.
Yeah, you gotta tighten it. I didn't tighten it. Yeah. I'll tighten it right now. Hold on. Nah, yeah, bro, this shit feels good in corners.
She ain't good at the corners like I am. Dusted her ass, bro. She ain't got it like I got it, bro. She's like in the corner. There's about to merge to a single file real quick. She flashing at me? What up?
That truck wild. She right there. She behind us.
Oh, she trying to go again, nigga.
She trying to run us. She about to hit this. She keep hitting us with the hazards, yo. Yo, I'm telling you, that baby gonna come out a speed junkie, bro. Niggas, it feels like when I was in the womb.
part is she's not even on sport mode, and she's not even on full power because I left everything on.
Yeah. Telling y'all.
This shit feels amazing. Look, I'm in 5th gear, chilling, cruising. 6th gear, highway. Yeah. Feels amazing. See how much horsepower it gets.
She said, fuck is y'all on. She cutting up. She said, y'all niggas driving slow.
She wrong, bro. She's beating on my shit, bro. She's supposed to be baby in that motherfucker. Bro, this girl. She's doing worse than me.
You told her to drive. She said, say fucking less, nigga. But look, she gonna tell you, she gonna tell you, I ain't really get on it.
Yeah, I'm glad I have traction control. Oh, man.
She already know. Back there.
Okay, look at this corner. Look at this corner. See how good it takes to go. G-force. Oh, cop. Oh, gotta slow down. Let them cops go.
Oh.
See it? They're probably looking for others.
So we heard some niggas racing.
She's all over in the back. That Mercedes is over her back.
She know to get over though, right?
Nah, she's still behind.
Too far.
She's coming. She might fly by again. You might want to record us. She's coming.
She flashing. Oh wait, that's somebody else.
The cops is here, Alicia.